Here is Elevate app, which is going so popular. So this app offers like brain workouts, which you can use and like just to train your intelligence and just doing something like IQ tests or stuff like that. So for example, here you can see some of the personalized workouts. Like, let's just do one of these together. So just to tell to you, you can easily create your account. I made a video about it, and yeah, it's super easy. Just answer some questions and then you can just sign up with your Apple ID or Facebook or Google. And now you have all these like exercises. There is a free trial, but there is also a free version. Free version is quite limited, so you can do like a 5 exercises or something like that per day. In an expanded version, you can do much more. And then, for example, just tap next, read each word as it appears, answer questions to build your tower. Okay, so I don't know how exactly that would work. Round 1 for 140 words per minute. Ready, set, go. Before its sharp spines become a threat. So I don't know what I need to do here. Okay, so now I need to read it. Okay, so that's basically the idea. Oh no, so now I lost. Okay, now so you can see that there were like 2 numbers and I just got confused. So that's the whole idea of the app, that you can play not only this exercise but many other exercises like this, and this is like can be super addictive. Oh no, so yeah. So something around it, so now you can see but there are like just 2 options, and sometimes you can just guess even without answering like the full question. So great job, high score, speedy answers, live remain. So then you can see your score, and maybe then you can just proceed with some other games. So there you have it, and then you can see all the stats and all of that. So that's basically the idea. Then you can see your performance. If I want to play, I can just play this one. So something around it. So that you can play, and as you can see here, I scored even higher score. So that's kind of fun. Yeah, and this is your workout. You can see some of the yeah, and then you can just view your progress. You can do these workouts per day, and then you can see all the stats and everything here. You can see workout highlights. You can explore other work, because I'm using here a free version. So if you want to unlock, you can use 7-day free trial and then only $39.99 per year. So that's what you can do. Then you can do performance, where you can see your performance in reading, in writing, speaking, and you can select each category. And then in the beginning, when you create account, you just set up what's your average you think you are. And then there is our activities or notifications, and there is a profile which you can check out. You can see all the achievements, how it's working. You can see your icon. You can say account settings. You can enable sound effects or disable them. You can set some training goals. And then if you want to, you can easily delete your account. All of your history, progress, and achievements will disappear forever, just in case you're sensitive about your private information or private data. Then there are language settings. These are only languages available at this moment, so it's not like super multilingual. So that's what you have here. Workout lengths. You need to upgrade to have this workout lengths, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward, but people like this app because of all these types of exercises, and that you can really train your brain. And it's kind of, instead of playing some stupid game online, or you can really train your brain and increase your focus, productivity, some capabilities, some writing skills, reading skills, and it can help out with your job. Maybe you can even show it to your boss, or I don't know, to some of your manager or HR that you are working on this app. I don't know if this is just like an idea. Maybe it's not helpful at all, but at least it's for sure can be helpful for you. And then you have your dashboard. You can see strikes, of course. This is like the days you worked out in this app without a break. So yeah, that's basically the idea. That's how this app is it's working, and hope you like it. Definitely give it a try. Definitely explore it. And let's just go through some of the reviews on the App Store, because this can give you an idea if people like it or what are the main issues if there are here. So here you can see Elevate Brain Training. This app has 380,000 plus reviews. It was numerous times in Editor's Choice. You can see ratings and reviews. Could you please add the answer results for mass? Excellent training app. Brain training that actually helps. Too little free content. Good but not enough. I have enjoyed it, but after challenge, I feel like it's become doing much for me. Thanks for this, a great suggestion. So yeah, some people are a bit unhappy that actually, if you're using this app daily for a few months, it kind of becomes boring. So that's one thing to know. That actually, yeah, it becomes boring after some period. But a lot of people like that it's productive. So anyhow, hope this was helpful.